Hello and welcome to Quick Charge by Electrek, keeping you in the fast track with daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. I'm Mikey G, and it's Tuesday, November 23rd. Some Tesla employees are reportedly organizing a union at Gigafactory Berlin, and IG Metall, one of Germany's most powerful unions, is behind it. Tesla has successfully fought off union organization here in America, so much so that Tesla was recently found to have violated labor laws based on a ruling by the National Labor Relations Board. However, worker unions in Germany had a head start, anticipating Tesla's arrival. Today, the German union said that it is now working with 7 employees to set up an election committee by the end of the month. If the union successfully organizes, it will be leading 120,000 employees that Tesla hopes to hire for production, said to ramp up next year. YouTube channel Full Mag put together a Tesla Model X for Black Rifle Coffee, a popular coffee company founded by U.S. military veterans. There's a bunch of modifications to the vehicle, but the most impressive is the 2 deployable machine guns that come out of the Falcon wing doors.
This is the Black Rifle Coffee Model X. So starting with the back here, we have our coffee shop. And this is the fun part.
It shoots the 5.56 NATO round and has a variable fire rate of up to 4,000 rounds per minute. So with 2 guns, that's 8,000 rounds of sustained fire.
Only in America, huh? The vehicle is also equipped with a coffee machine in the back trunk. Interestingly, they decided not to wire the power for the accessories to the car itself, and instead used a power supply from a Yeti Goal Zero power station. Perhaps they wanted to retain some resale value? Who knows? Based on the latest tally, Tesla has a backlog of over 1.2 million Cybertruck reservations. That earmarks sales worth over $80 billion. The estimate comes from a crowdsourced Cybertruck reservation tally by Cybertruck Forum. Of course, the small price to reserve a truck, only $100, means that some of these reservations will fall through. The electric pickup truck was supposed to be in production already, but the automaker delayed the model as it focused on growing the Model Y production. Estimates for the start of production are in late 2022. While both Ford and Rivian are hot contenders for the electric truck market, Tesla has decided to first focus on volume production rather than getting the first unit out the door. Ford has started to install its Tesla Supercharger lookalike charging stations. Some EV drivers have already started to share images of the new stations found at a Ford dealership in Delaware. Last year, we reported on Ford unveiling its own charging station, and the human-height rectangular obelisk with an oval-shaped cutout in the color blue looks suspiciously like Tesla's human-height rectangular obelisk with an oval cutout in the color red. The differences in design are slight. The Ford Charger has a flat top instead of bowed, and the plug itself rests inserted in the face of the unit rather than inside the cutout. The current Ford Chargers are only Level 2. It's not clear yet if Ford plans to use this design for Level 3 Chargers out in the field. Dodge will end their Challenger and Charger production, the gasoline-powered, in 2024, to be replaced by electric models. Dodge brand CEO Tim Kuniskis says Dodge will reveal their first electric concept sometime in the next 4 to 5 months. Dodge is calling their 2-year plan Never Lift, an effort to redefine the brand, attracting new customers, and trying to nudge gearheads towards the modern era. At the end of the timeline, Dodge's gas muscle cars will be out of production. Polestar shared insight into the exterior design process of the Precept concept car as it becomes the production-ready, officially named Polestar 5. Polestar has shared a new video of the progress they've made, and for starters, it appears that they have smoothed out a lot of the harsh lines. Also, the self-driving sensors are tucked inside, giving a more sleek look. You can find a link to the video on our site, electrek.co. Today's community comment comes from both Larry Davidson and Stephen Gooley, who sent their congratulations on Quick Charge reaching 1,000 subscribers. It's a cause for celebration too. YouTube will now allow for monetization on the channel, and you'll be exposed to ads before the video. Sorry about that. But I'm not really in it for the extra dime or so that it might produce over the course of a month. The real benefit is that the advertised content goes out further. YouTube officially states that they promote all videos equally, but various tests from channels both large and small, myself included, counter that claim with regular results. Non-sponsored content simply does not go as far. So, With the advent of ads, more people will be watching Quick Charge. Like you, they can get the latest EV news recap and lead a more happy and productive life by saving time and staying in the know. Thanks for watching Quick Charge by Electrek. We also have an audio version on your favorite podcast player. I'm Mikey G, and I hope you have a great day.